In this module, you will learn to use the Robotic Process Automation Recorder to record a business process, such as processing an invoice, publish it to Control Tower, and add it to an existing business process. We will modify the business process from the previous module, which handled invoices in the third-part invoice system. In this video, we will review the business case and see what we will add to it. The business case we will address is the familiar accounts payable invoice process. Here is the original process. 1. We received an invoice for payment. 2. We scanned the invoice into an image for optical character recognition engine conversion to a text format. 3. Then we extracted the text data with Robotic's process automation and updated the accounts payable system. 4. Finally, the accounts payable system processed the invoice for payment, and the business case was satisfied. However, 3 of the invoices generated exceptions. We addressed the exceptions with manual exception handling. We added a manual task to extract data that stopped the bots. It was completed successfully by workers in Workspace. Now we'll use the Robotic Process Automation Recorder to create a bot task by capturing the steps needed to finish updating the accounts payable system. Then we'll update an existing business process by adding the new bot task. This will complete the end-to-end robotic process automation for accounts payable invoice processing.